If you like music, then listen to me as I sing this stupid song for you to see. Music, sound, creativity. Come on and join the show for endless inspiration. Stevie Louise, that's me. Hey guys, so I am back and today's video is gonna be my full face of drugstore favourites. I don't know what the title's gonna be exactly, but that's what it is. If you are new here, then welcome to my channel. Hit the subscribe button down below and you can join my little awkwardness, my little world of awkwardness. Let's get right into it. So for my primer, I have the MUA Skin Define Matte Perfect Primer. I am nearly out of it. It is my most used primer out of them, and it's like a oh, I've got a double chin. What do they call it? Silicone, I guess. Look, it's going to be like a full face look. So bronzer, blush, eyeliner, everything that I don't typically do day to day. I really need to learn how to actually talk instead of just random sentences and loads of silence. What's wrong with the sun today? So for my eyeshadow, you have guessed it, it's my Revolution palette. My trusty go-to. It's excuse me, sun. Hello. I've got my curtains shut, but the sun decides to start blazing right through, so sorry about that. So I am taking these two browns up here. This one is going to be my base colour, that's going to be the crease colour. It's probably going to take me forever to do this look, just because I'm doing like every single makeup product that I can think of. If you want to see any more of my makeup videos, then I will link my fun stuff playlist up in the eye. It's just got all of my non-music stuff in it, I guess. And now I'm going on to my crease colour. If anyone has any tips on how I can avoid situations with bright lighting and just getting flooded out by the sun, then please comment them down below or send me a message or whatever, because I have not got a clue. And please don't tell me to go out and buy actual camera lighting, because I have no money unless you're willing to buy them for me. Down to my corner colours. What am I saying? This one here is what is going in the corners of my eyes. I need to put my ears on. No wonder why my hair's getting in my face. There we go, that's better. I think I actually wore this makeup look in my letters and words video, so again I'll link that up there if you want to see it. These colours work best with my eyeliner. At least I actually look like I have some eyelids now. The colours I'm going for is this gold up here, and I'm going to do this without dropping it like I've done before. The actual solid gold here, and this bronzish colour. My brother came to me the other day with the idea to do a video where I do his face of makeup. It was his idea, not mine, but I'm thinking of doing that. So if you want to see that, then hit the like button just so I know how many people actually want to see that. Or you can comment whatever you want. Just give me some kind of indication that that is something you might want to see. I am going to be using the MUA Eye Define Soft Tip Felt Liner, and I have hooded eyes, so my eyeliner should be very interesting. It takes me a while. I can't do any big fancy flicks or anything, just because it doesn't show, and when I turn to the side, it like half of it is hidden in my crease. I'm gonna go do that and then I will come right back because I can't show it on video because it's just going to pressurise me and I'm going to get it rolled. 20 minutes later, I have my eyeliner done. My flicks are kept very small, just like I said, because I've got hooded eyes and it gets lost in my crease. My mascara, it's not from Drugstore exactly, but it is Drugstore price. It's the New Look Pure Volumizing Mascara. So foundation is the next thing. I'm going to be using a different brush today because my other one is packed with foundation and really needs washing, so I need to clean that. So today I'm going to be using the Flawless Foundation brush from Wilko. I got it in a set for Christmas one year, I think, or maybe my birthday. Favourite drugstore foundation is the Collection Last Imperfection. However, it is too dark, it's really orange for me, so I will be mixing it with the L'Oreal Infallible. And my foundation just flew everywhere. Best concealer I've come across is the Miss Sporty Perfect Stay 10 Hour concealer, but this is in shade 001 Light. I do have a few red spots down here. If any of you have watched before, then you know that the Rimmel Stay Matte powder is my favourite. I have the Rita Ora one, I don't really know what the difference is, to be honest. I'm hoping I can go into town tomorrow or maybe over to Crawley because I need my eyebrows done, I need a new powder, and I have £2 worth of points on my Superdrug card, which apparently I have to use before a certain date in February, otherwise I'll lose them. I think I normally do bronzer next if I'm doing a full face. This is the MUA Bronzed Perfection Matte in the shade Sunset Tan. It's the palest one that was there, which should be good for pale people like me. It normally does me pretty good. Oh wow. I promise you it doesn't just look like a straight line in real life. In saying that, I am pretty bad at this whole thing, so whatever settles your kettle, as my sister would say. My blush that I use from the drugstore is the Makeup Obsession. This is my little palette that I got with highlighter, eyeshadow and blush. And I just dropped it down the radiator. You really don't need much of this blush whatsoever because it's extremely pigmented. Like the first couple of times I tried it, I made the mistake of using too much. I looked like a clown because I just had bright red spots on my cheeks. I use the lighter one at the top here, which is Upside Down. Fancy, it's the shade Fancy. I think it should be alright. My highlight is going to be actually the same Makeup Obsession palette, and I'm going to use the purple shade, which is Moon. So now that my highlight is done, I am moving on to eyebrows. They should look better once I have gelled them down with my e.l.f. brow gel mascara duo. My brows always look really downwards or just like straight lines on camera. I don't know why. Two of my favourite lip products are the Collection Velvet Kiss lip cream in the shade Caramel 2 and the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Abu Dhabi. I don't know how to pronounce that, but the thing is finding out which one fits better with the purple in my braces as of right now. I think I might go for the Collection one today just because it is more affordable to most people. Like, it was a fraction of the price that the NYX one was. I am just gonna set my face with the Freedom setting spray. This is my final look in this crappy lighting. Okay, so I'm now in the bathroom, which does have better lighting, to be honest, to show you the final look. I need to kneel down, I can't stand on one foot any longer. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this with anyone, comment down below. Thinking of some words to say. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you very much for watching.